Hello viewers, let us discuss the conditions of solutions that is consistent and inconsistent of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Say a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, first equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, second equation, where x and y are the two variables and a1, b1, a2, b2 are the coefficients of the corresponding terms and c1, c2 are the constants. To know the conditions of solutions of these equations, let's compare the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 of each pair of line in this table. Look at the condition of first pair of lines. Two lines are intersecting lines, means two lines are intersecting at only one point. So this pair of lines has exactly one solution called unique solutions, and this pair of lines is consistent. Look at these conditions of the second pair of lines, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So when this condition happens, these two pair of lines are coincident lines, means one line lies on the other, or you can say that two lines are on the same straight line. So this pair of lines has infinitely many solutions, and this pair is called dependent, also consistent. Look at this condition of third pair of lines, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So these lines are parallel lines, means they have no solution, and this pair of lines is called consistent pair of lines. Let us consider some illustrative examples to understand these conditions of solutions clearly. First example, compare the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 to determine whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. Hence find the number of solutions. First equation, 5x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0, 15x minus 12y plus 30 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 10, a2 equal to 15, b2 equal to minus 12, c2 equal to 30. So a1 by a2 how much? 5 by 15, that is 1 by 3. b1 by b2, that is minus 4 by minus 12, that is 1 by 3. c1 by c2 equal to 10 by 30, that is 1 upon 3. Look at 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So these conditions exist where the lines are coincident, means this pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. Now come to the second equation. What is a1? 3, b1 5, c1 equal to minus 12, a2 equal to 6, b2 minus 10, c2 equal to 36. So find a1 by a2 how much? 3 upon 6, that is 1 upon 2. b1 by b2, that's equal to 5 upon minus 10, that's equal to minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2, that's equal to minus 12 upon 36, that's equal to minus 1 upon 3. Just look at here, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, because 1 by 2 not even minus 1 by 2. So these conditions is called the consistent pair of equations, means this pair of equations has a particular solutions, one solutions, and these lines always intersect at one point. In the third equation, a1 equal to 12, b1 equal to 30, c1 equal to minus 20, a2 equal to 4, b2 10, and c2 equal to minus 10. Now find the ratios. a1 upon a2 means 12 upon 4, that is equal to 3. b1 upon b2, that is equal to 3. c1 upon c2 means here 2. Just look here, 3, 3, these are equal. So a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. So since a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, so these pairs are called parallel lines, because in these conditions two lines are parallel to each other. They never intersect at any point and they have no solutions. Let us consider the illustrative example 2. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, find the solution graphically. So first we have to find the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 of each of these pairs of equations. Then we compare their values. If any equations found consistent, then we will find their solution graphically, right? So first come the solution of first equation. 6x minus 4y equal to 12, 18x minus 12y equal to 24. So here a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 minus 12, then a2 18, b2 minus 12, c2 minus 24. Now find ratios a1 by a2. So 6 by 18, that equal to 1 by 3. Then b1 upon b2 means minus 4 by minus 12, that equal to 1 by 3. Then c1 upon c2, that equal to minus 12 upon minus 12, that equal to half. So just look at 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So these two values equal, means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but this not equal to c1 by c2, c1 by c2. So since a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, so this pair of equations is inconsistent, means they have no solution. Now in the second equation, what is a1? a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 6, a2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 2, and c2 equal to minus 4. Now find the ratios a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4, that equal to 1 upon 2. Then b1 upon b2, 1 upon minus 2, that's equal to minus 1 by 2. Then c1 upon c2, minus 6 upon minus 4. Observe the values. Half not equal to minus half, means a1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Since A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, this pair of linear equations is consistent. This shows that this pair of linear equations has a unique solution, means only one solution, right? Now let us find the solution graphically. First make the table of ordered pairs for these equations. For the equation 2x plus y equal to 6, the ordered pairs are 1, 4, 0, 6, 2, 2. And for the equation 4x minus 2y equal to 4, the ordered pairs are 1, 0, 0 minus 2 and minus 1 minus 4. Plot these points on a graph paper to get the required graph. Look at the graph. Clearly, the two lines of this pair of linear equations intersect at the point 2, 2. Hence, the required solutions is x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. Now, in the third equation, a1 equal to 2 by 3, b1 equal to 5, c1 equal to minus 10, a2 equal to 4 by 3, b2 equal to 10 and c2 equal to, now find the ratios, a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 3 is cancelled. So 2 by 4, that equal to half. And b1 by b2, that equal to 5 upon 10, that equal to 1 upon 2. Then c1 upon c2, that equal to minus 10 upon 20, that equal to minus 1 upon 2. Just look at here, half half equal means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but that not equal to c1 by c2. So since a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, this pair of linear equations is inconsistent, means there is no solution. Now come the fourth part of this question. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 10, a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1 and c2 equal to minus 5. Now find the ratios. a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 1, they equal to 2. b1 by b2 means 2 by 1 equal to 2. c1 by c2 means minus 10 by minus 5 equal to 2. Just look at the values, 2, 2, 2, all are equal, means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. This means when a1 equal to a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, this pair of lines have infinitely many solutions, means this pair is also consistent, right? Now let us find the solution graphically. First make the ordered pairs of this pair of equations. For 2x plus 2y equal to 10, ordered pairs are 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3. For the equation x plus y equal to 5, the ordered pairs are 4, 1, 3, 2 and 6 minus 1. Now plot these points on a graph paper to get the required graph. Look at the graph. You can see that two lines represented by this pair of equations are coincident. That is, two lines are on the same straight line. Hence, they are consistent with infinitely many solutions. I think you would have understood the conditions of solutions, that is consistency and inconsistency of a pair of linear equations in two variables. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel and hence press the bell icon. Thanks.